In this video, we will discuss about the propositional logic. Let's get started. Ang content ay about sa 5 types of propositional symbols, which is the negation, conjunction, disjunction, and implication at biconditional. Ang una ay ang propositional logic symbols. Negation is the operation that reverses the truth value of a proposition, making it not true if it was true or not false if it was false. It is typically represented by the symbol by negation. Example of negation statement: x is equal to 3 open parenthesis x equal to 3. Negation of the statement: x is not equal to 3 open parenthesis x not equal to 3. Statement: x is less than 5 open parenthesis x less than to 5. Negation of the statement: x is not less than 5 x is greater than or equal to 5 open parenthesis x greater than to 5. Next, ang pangalawa ay ang conjunction. Conjunction is the operation that combines two propositions and is true only if both propositions are true. It is often represented by the word and or the symbol of conjunction. Example of conjunction: here's the statement of P, the sky is blue. Q, it is funny. Conjunction of the statement: the sky is blue and it is sunny. Statement: P, she is studying. Q, she is focused. Conjunction of the statement: she is studying and she is focused. Pangatlo ay ang disjunction. Disjunction is the operation that combines two propositions and is true if at least one of the propositions is true. It is often represented by the word or the symbol of disjunction. Example of junction is P, it is raining. Q, it is snowing. Conjunction of the statement: it is raining or it is snowing. Statement: I will go to the gym. Q, I will go for a run. Conjunction of the statement: I will go to the gym or I will go for a run. Ang pang-apat ay ang implication. Implication is the relationship between two propositions where one proposition implies the other. It is true unless the first proposition is true and the second is false. It is often represented by the symbol of implication. Example of implication statement: P, it is raining. Q, the ground is wet. Negation of this statement: implication: if it is raining, then the ground is wet. This means that if it is raining, it implies the ground will be wet. Statement: P, you study hard. Q, you will pass the exam. Negation of this statement: if you study hard, then you will pass the exam. This means that studying hard implies that you will pass the exam. Pang-apat ay ang huli ay ang biconditional. Biconditional is a relationship between two propositions where one proposition is true if and only if the other is true. It is often represented by the symbol of biconditional and indicates that both propositions have the same truth value. Example of biconditional statement: P, a number is divisible by 2. Q, the number is even. Negation of the statement: a number is divisible by 2 if and only if the number is even. This means a number is even if and only if it is divisible by 2. Second one is P, It is a weekend. Q. I do not have a work. Negation of this statement. It is a weekend if and only if I do not have work. This means I do not have work if and only if it is a weekend. That's all for this video presentation. Thank you.